how to log out your Spotify account from everywhere. If you want to log out your Spotify account from all devices, it's actually quite very simple to do so. But just keep in mind that we cannot do this process using the Spotify app. So instead, we have to open our browser and go to spotify.com. Once we're here on spotify.com, what you want to do is tap on the three lines icon, which is the menu icon that you can find from the top right hand side there. If you're not already logged in, just go ahead and then re-log into your account. So let me just quickly go ahead and then log into my account. It'll ask me to verify. So let me do the verification process as well. So once I have verified my account and then that I'm logged in, go to the option that says view account from the very top. Now when you go to view account, you will land on this particular page. Just scroll down a couple of steps below. Under security and privacy, right there you can find an option that says sign out everywhere. So what you have to do is tap on the sign out everywhere button. It will ask you for a confirmation, so it will say us that this will log us out of Spotify everywhere that you're logged in, including the mobile, tablet, web player, and even desktop applications. So if you want to confirm it, tap the sign out everywhere button and you'll be successfully signed out of Spotify remotely. So I hope the video helped you, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.